Every time I cut this water on, it makes a hum sound. And it sounds really bad in the house. So what I want to try is just removing this and see if that helps for now. Well, that stopped that hum sound. Left Home Depot and they had something else very similar. I'm not really sure what this is for. After looking at Home Depot's site, it's made for preventing back siphonage and backflow into portable water. It's made of a durable solid brass with versatile thread connections. Manually drains to prevent freezing with the protruding tip device. Doesn't hum anymore. I'm gonna change the one in the backyard because it does the same.